i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu PC200LC-8 hydraulic track excavator. It is stock number 45, has working work lights, includes the manual thumb, full cab. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. We welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you would like. If you need a hauling quote to your farm or job site, just fill out the form on our website. We'll look into that for you. Thanks for taking time to watch. Look forward to hearing from you soon, and hope you have a great day.